The Sharpe ratio is a common tool investors use to see if a return is worth the risk taken to get it. It measures risk-adjusted return, helping you understand how much extra return you are getting for every unit of extra risk. The calculation takes the investment return, subtracts the risk-free rate, and divides by the standard deviation or volatility of that investment. A higher ratio suggests that the investment has provided better returns relative to its volatility compared to other options. While absolute return tells you the raw gain, the Sharpe ratio qualifies that gain by showing how bumpy the ride was. In this example, asset B has the highest ratio, meaning it delivered the most efficient return per unit of risk. Remember that this ratio uses past data, which does not guarantee that future returns or volatility will follow the same pattern. Use the Sharpe ratio to compare investments on an even playing field. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.